初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I like drawing cute things.
I like drawing cute things.
我喜欢画可爱的东西。
I like drawing cute things.
I like drawing cute things.
I enjoy sketching in silence.
I enjoy sketching in silence.
我喜欢安静的素描。
I enjoy sketching in silence.
I enjoy sketching in silence.
This pencil feels really smooth.
This pencil feels really smooth.
这支铅笔用起来很顺滑。
This pencil feels really smooth.
This pencil feels really smooth.
I'm learning to paint flowers.
I'm learning to paint flowers.
我正在学习画画。
I'm learning to paint flowers.
I'm learning to paint flowers.
I want to draw better faces.
I want to draw better faces.
我想画更好的人脸。
I want to draw better faces.
I want to draw better faces.
Art helps me feel calm.
Art helps me feel calm.
艺术让我感到平静。
Art helps me feel calm.
Art helps me feel calm.
I sing in the shower daily.
I sing in the shower daily.
我每天洗澡时唱歌。
I sing in the shower daily.
I sing in the shower daily.
That song gets stuck easily.
That song gets stuck easily.
那首歌很容易卡在脑子里。
That song gets stuck easily.
That song gets stuck easily.
I'm shy but love singing.
I'm shy but love singing.
我很害羞，但喜欢唱歌。
I'm shy but love singing.
I'm shy but love singing.
Let's do karaoke this weekend.
Let's do karaoke this weekend.
这周末我们去唱卡拉 OK 吧。
Let's do karaoke this weekend.
Let's do karaoke this weekend.
My playlist is full now.
My playlist is full now.
我的播放列表现在满了。
My playlist is full now.
My playlist is full now.
I hum when I'm bored.
I hum when I'm bored.
我无聊时会哼歌。
I hum when I'm bored.
I hum when I'm bored.
I dance when no one's watching.
I dance when no one's watching.
没人在看时，我会跳舞。
I dance when no one's watching.
I dance when no one's watching.
This song makes me move instantly.
This song makes me move instantly.
这首歌让我立刻动起来。
This song makes me move instantly.
This song makes me move instantly.
I took hip-hop last summer.
I took hip-hop last summer.
去年夏天我学了街舞。
I took hip-hop last summer.
I took hip-hop last summer.
I'm trying some new moves.
I'm trying some new moves.
我在尝试一些新动作。
I'm trying some new moves.
I'm trying some new moves.
Let's dance just for fun.
Let's dance just for fun.
我们跳舞只是为了好玩。
Let's dance just for fun.
Let's dance just for fun.
I write in my journal daily.
I write in my journal daily.
我每天写日记。
I write in my journal daily.
I write in my journal daily.
I love making up stories.
I love making up stories.
我喜欢编故事。
I love making up stories.
I love making up stories.
Writing clears up my thoughts.
Writing clears up my thoughts.
写作能理清我的思绪。
Writing clears up my thoughts.
Writing clears up my thoughts.
I'm working on a poem.
I'm working on a poem.
我正在写一首诗。
I'm working on a poem.
I'm working on a poem.
I want to publish someday.
I want to publish someday.
我希望有一天能出版。
I want to publish someday.
I want to publish someday.
I blog about simple things.
I blog about simple things.
我在博客上写些简单的事。
I blog about simple things.
I blog about simple things.
Reading helps me write better.
Reading helps me write better.
阅读帮助我写得更好。
Reading helps me write better.
Reading helps me write better.
I started learning photography yesterday.
I started learning photography yesterday.
我昨天开始学摄影。
I started learning photography yesterday.
I started learning photography yesterday.
I took some nice sunset shots.
I took some nice sunset shots.
我拍了一些漂亮的日落照片。
I took some nice sunset shots.
I took some nice sunset shots.
My cat loves the camera.
My cat loves the camera.
我的猫很喜欢相机。
My cat loves the camera.
My cat loves the camera.
I enjoy walking with my dog.
I enjoy walking with my dog.
我喜欢和我的狗一起散步。
I enjoy walking with my dog.
I enjoy walking with my dog.
My dog barks at squirrels.
My dog barks at squirrels.
我的狗会对松鼠叫。
My dog barks at squirrels.
My dog barks at squirrels.
I feed the fish every morning.
I feed the fish every morning.
我每天早上喂鱼。
I feed the fish every morning.
I feed the fish every morning.
My turtle moves really slowly.
My turtle moves really slowly.
我的乌龟爬得很慢。
My turtle moves really slowly.
My turtle moves really slowly.
I like growing small plants.
I like growing small plants.
我喜欢种小植物。
I like growing small plants.
I like growing small plants.
My cactus needs some water.
My cactus needs some water.
我的仙人掌需要浇水了。
My cactus needs some water.
My cactus needs some water.
I'm trying to grow herbs.
I'm trying to grow herbs.
我在尝试种香草。
I'm trying to grow herbs.
I'm trying to grow herbs.
I take care of them daily.
I take care of them daily.
我每天照料它们。
I take care of them daily.
I take care of them daily.
I watch movies to relax.
I watch movies to relax.
我看电影来放松。
I watch movies to relax.
I watch movies to relax.
Let's try a comedy tonight.
Let's try a comedy tonight.
今晚我们看喜剧吧。
Let's try a comedy tonight.
Let's try a comedy tonight.
I collect postcards from friends.
I collect postcards from friends.
我收集朋友寄来的明信片。
I collect postcards from friends.
I collect postcards from friends.
I'm learning magic tricks now.
I'm learning magic tricks now.
我现在在学习魔术。
I'm learning magic tricks now.
I'm learning magic tricks now.
Hobbies make me feel alive.
Hobbies make me feel alive.
爱好让我感到充满活力。
Hobbies make me feel alive.
Hobbies make me feel alive.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。